How to set up eSIM on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an eSIM on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, head over to settings and then you're going to head over to mobile service or cellular data. So once you click on cellular, you'll be able to see an option of convert eSIM. So you can simply click on convert eSIM or you can simply click on add eSIM. So once you do so, you'll be able to see two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. So you can simply head over, click on use QR code. You can either simply scan the QR code or just simply type down the details manually. So you can type in details such as the SMDP plus address or activation code, and after that you can type down the confirmation code. That is totally optional. Once done, you'll be able to see that your eSIM has successfully activated. So that is basically how you can set up eSIM on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.